In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Plus500 Commodities. By the end, you'll know exactly how to log in, find the commodity you want, and place a buy or sell trade with confidence. This walkthrough is for educational purposes only. Trading involves risk, so always consider your objectives and experience level. Start by logging in to the Plus500 platform, either through WebTrader in your browser or the mobile app. Once you're in, you'll see the main trading interface. If you're new to the layout, don't worry. Everything you need is easy to reach from here. Next, head to the trading area. You can click the Trade tab, which shows the available markets, or go straight to the search bar at the top if you already know what you're looking for. Both paths lead you to the same place. It's just about whichever feels faster for you. Now choose the Commodities category. You'll see groups such as energy, metals, and agricultural. Energy includes instruments like oil and natural gas. Metals typically include gold and silver, and agricultural covers things like coffee and other soft commodities. This categorization helps you quickly narrow your focus. Find the specific commodity you want to trade. You can scroll the list or type its name into the search field. Oil, gold, natural gas, coffee, and more are all available. Take a moment to look at market hours and recent price movement so you understand when it's most active. Click the instrument to open its trading page. Here you'll see a live chart, the current buy and sell prices, and details like the spread and any relevant information about the instrument. This page is where you'll make your trading decision and enter the order. Choose buy if you believe the price will rise, or choose sell if you think the price will fall. Plus500 allows you to go long or short, so the direction you pick should reflect your market view. Be mindful that the price you see includes the spread, and fast markets can move quickly. Enter your trade size or amount. As you adjust the size, you'll see an estimated margin requirement and potential exposure, which helps you understand how much capital the trade will tie up. Leverage can amplify gains and losses, so consider starting smaller until you're comfortable. When you're ready, click Confirm or Place Trade to execute. Your order will be processed at the available price, and you'll receive an on-screen confirmation. That's it. You've placed a commodity trade on Plus500.